How to get a Woodland Explorer map in Minecraft. So first you'll need a cartography table, and to do that you'll just need 4 pieces of wood, 2 pieces of paper, and your crafting table. So just place it right there. I'll get your planks or something and get your 2 pieces of paper. After that you will get your cartography table. And once you have your cartography table, just go to a village and find an unemployed villager. So I'm gonna check if this one is unemployed, right click, and he doesn't have any trades, so I'm just gonna get my cartographer table, place it on the ground, and wait for him to accept the job. And as you can see, he is now a cartographer. Now we will need to upgrade the trades right here, and to do that, you'll just simply need to do some trades. So we could do it with paper. So I'm just gonna get some paper right here. I have my paper. I'm just gonna go to the cartographer again and just do some trades and fill up this bar. So we will need to upgrade this cartographer by 2 levels. Just wait for it to fill up and just wait and check. And as you can see, it's now an apprentice. Now we're gonna, as you see, the trades had more options now. So we have the Ocean Explorer map and this one. So we're just gonna upgrade again so that levels up the cartographer. So just do trades again and again. And after some time upgrading and doing some trades, as you can see, the cartographer will become at the journeyman level. And now, as you can see, you have more trades, and one of the options on these trades are the Woodland Explorer map right here. So just simply click on it, and you will need emeralds and compass right here. So I have mine. Just gonna simply trade the Woodland Explorer map. Now, as you can see, I now have the Woodland Explorer map right here, and you could now just basically follow this map up to that like house icon to go to the mansion. That's how I basically get the Woodland Explorer map in Minecraft.